In this lesson, you'll get a preview of how you can promote your own apps. And the apps that I'll show you, I developed for marketimpacts.com. The quick-click series of apps I developed is designed for easy mapping of different kinds of places. Each app has its own unique icon for quick access on the user's screen. The primary vehicle for promoting your apps will be the Google Play Store. However, with hundreds of thousands of apps available, you're likely going to need to promote your apps in other ways to get them noticed. One way the quick-click app series is promoted on the Market Impacts website is in this sidebar, and also on a dedicated web page. The quick-click apps web page explains the apps using text, graphics, and a video. Another way these apps are promoted is through press releases. We use PR Web to do internet-based releases. You can find some of our releases following this link here, and here's an example of one of the releases. They include marketing-oriented text, photos, and some of them include videos. When you promote your apps on a web page, you can link directly to the page for your app on the Google Play Store. So if we click on the ATM app, we're taken to its store page. The Google Play Store pages include promotional graphics, links to other apps, including your own, on this left-hand sidebar, a text description, a link to your website, an email link, screenshots. These are very important to include. Great way to give users an idea of what your app looks like and how it performs. Release information, an install history that goes over the past 30 days, and finally user ratings and reviews. Your Google Play Store app page is home base for app promotions and downloads. Many apps are discovered by users by searching the store via keywords. As an example, let's search on ATM. And we've gotten in the range of 1,000 results. And the quick-click app is number 10. Not too bad. We'll look at Google Play, promoting your apps, and how to get your apps higher in search results in more detail later in the course. For now, you can see there are a number of ways to promote your apps, and they reinforce each other to build success in the app marketplace.